Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1993 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. The bandwidth of n-stage tuned amplifier with each stage having a bandwidth of B is given by. Four options are given, we need to say about the right one. So each stage is going to be having a bandwidth of B. So look at this. Bandwidth of independent stage, that is isolated stage. Bandwidth of isolated stage is given as B. And if such type of stages, n numbers, are going to be cascaded, then it is called as n-stage tuned amplifier. N-stage tuned amplifier is nothing but you are cascading such type of stages, n numbers, connecting one after the other in this way. Okay, so this is what cascading of n number of stages, 1 2 3 4, and it will become n. And by using cascading, gain increases. By using cascading, gain increases, but bandwidth is going to be reduces. So as you are going with more and more number of stages, bandwidth is going to be reduced further and further, but the gain is going to be increases. So bandwidth has to be lesser than the previous value. Okay, and if you assume all stages are going to be identical, all are going to be having identical nature, then the value of the overall bandwidth is going to be equal to C. The right answer for this question is C. Because if you are going with 2 power 1 by n minus 1, this value is going to be always less than 1 for n greater than 1. If it is n is equal to 1, at that time you will get it as more. 1.414 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, you will get it as 1 itself. Okay, and for always for n greater than 1, this value is going to be less than 1 itself. So if you are multiplying less than 1 with B, at that time the overall value is going to be less. This is the equation. For n is equal to 2, if you want to find out, for n is equal to 1, this value is going to be equal to, okay, 1 itself. If n is equal to 2, the value is going to be 0.643, and for n is equal to 3, it is 0.510. So as n increases, number of stages in cascade increases, this value is going to be getting reduces, that is multiplying with B. So bandwidth reduces as number of stages increases in cascade. So the overall equation for the bandwidth of n stage is B into root of 2 power 1 by n minus 1. Thank you.